Hold on to your Galaxy devices because Samsung is shaking things up with its software updates. Just as One UI 8 starts rolling out widely, whispers of Android 16 and One UI 8.5 are already swirling around the Galaxy S26. It's been a whirlwind year for Samsung's software team, who kicked things off with the massive One UI 7 overhaul. An update that, let's be honest, took longer than anyone expected to reach older devices. But here's where it gets interesting. Samsung seems to have found its rhythm with One UI 8, and now, eagle-eyed observers like Tarun Vats have spotted the first internal test build of One UI 8.5 for the Galaxy S25 series. And this is the part most people miss. This doesn't signal an imminent beta release, but it does confirm Samsung's new timeline for the S26 lineup. Instead of jumping straight to One UI 9, Samsung is planning an incremental release for the S26 Pro, Edge and Ultra, building on Android 16. Why the shift? It's less about Samsung's priorities and more about Google's ever-evolving Android schedule, which has effectively flipped the script on when major updates drop. Major releases now align with the summer foldable lineup, while the Galaxy S series gets a half-step update. But here's the controversial part. Is this new timing a step forward or a missed opportunity for Samsung's flagship devices? Let us know what you think in the comments. Meanwhile, One UI 8 is steadily rolling out, with the Galaxy S25 lineup already receiving the update in the US, and most other devices set to follow suit in October. As Samsung gears up for One UI 8.5 and the S26 series, the tech giant is also rumored to be simplifying gesture navigation and pushing forward with its Android XR headset. So, what's next for Samsung? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The Galaxy ecosystem is in for some exciting changes. What feature are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts below.